Hi there, Mila. I'm pretty excited about my project that I actually created for you. And it's about tapping the resources we as artists have individually and support each other by sharing, but also by learning how we can generate revenue and feel this fulfillment by doing what we love and have this amazing reward emotionally, mentally, spiritually, financially. So what I like to introduce you to today is a project that I call Silk Pro. And it's designed for the silk painter or artist, visual artist, who want to really grow professionally and financially. It will be, or it is, a community set up outside of the public social media. It is a safe place and space, but it will be not free for all. We want to have people who are serious about building their art business and sharing, supporting, but also for the fun and socializing, sharing our projects and asking questions, because we know there is so much knowledge, and very often we wonder, hey, how did person do that? And now I like to open a space for those who are active, who want to grow in all aspects of our craft or art and connect. So this is invitation to a project that I set as a test period for 90 days, 3 months, where we will be proactively working and testing if this is something sustainable. And I will show you, I will share screen what it is so you know what I'm talking about. But I'm thinking about this project as a peer-to-peer support. Yes, I will be one of you. I'll be sharing the business development mindset and coaching, but you will be there as one who will share the work, the questions, the connection, the upliftment and inspiration. So let me share my screen and show you around. It is just in the beginning of the setup because you are not there. Once you are there, there will be more life to it. So let me share my screen. And like I said, I call it Silk Pro. This is what looks like when you are in it. You will have your image here. But I would like to walk you through. Right now, the public open space is in the welcome. So when you click on the link, you come here and you can read what this is about. I have a little video there explaining, but there is also application. So we get to know each other. I will see what you are looking for. And from there, then we will build the group. What I set up is activity. So weekly, or maybe then when we grow twice a week, connection on Zoom in a live setting of a Zoom group where we see each other. And this is just the schedule right now. The topics will be added. For example, I know that Christmas is our biggest time, and we are now approaching the period where we prepare. Now it's mid of July, but August should be the time where you are getting ready with your products. And then September, we are setting up polishing, and October, we are starting to sell. November, the high time, right? And then the rest of December. So I will offer a training for the August time, getting ready for the Christmas season. This is, for example, what I will be doing in the live training. But I will invite then you, the experts, to share what you want to share, or what you know, or what people are asking. So this is a blueprint, a grid that we will be filling with our engagement, with the sharing what we know, and with asking our question, getting to know each other, learning, growing together. So this is, as I said, the free part. And once you are in, then you can then, click here, going, not going. But there is the pro member place. And in the pro members, this is the space where the public cannot go in. After you apply, then you will be part of the membership. You can choose what level of the membership you like to have. There will be discounted membership for life on discounted price for those who are ready now and say, yes, I want to be part of it. It's monthly membership. And the price will go up as we grow, and there will be more content. Right now, I'm just offering you to join, put in the application, and when I see there is enough interest, then we have a powerful community of peer-to-peer mentoring, growing, and learning to improve professionally and financially. So there is a space when once you are in it, you click on it, and then there are a few questions. I would suggest you introduce yourself by video, but no worries, you can write a post and tell us about yourself, what you want us to know. Then there is a space to showcase your work, because the potential of this group is endless. We can start to market you in the space of let's say my reach, or if somebody else will support you and want to promote you, you will have your work here for the others to see. Of course, they can then ask questions. I put in just one of my pieces. I wrote a little bit explanation about it. I think I just said Yavana paints and outlining paint on Ponche 8, but that's just the example. But this is the place to showcase your work and ask questions or get feedback from other people. Then there is a specific post where you can, when you click here, new post, you will add to the questions. You can ask the community, or you can just comment here and ask your questions to the community. Everyone see it, because when you go here to home, there is something like on social media, the news feed. All the new posts of the members will show up here. And right now they're just the sample posts that I put in, but this is the feed where all the posts will show up. So then we have a resource space where, for one, there will be a learning tools, but there also is a place where you can make a contribution about the resources you have. So when I click on this, then there is a sheet, and then this is what I just add to it, resource type, where you can get it or where the others can get it, link to the resource, what is the name, and this would be your name, the contributor, and when was it that you submitted your contribution. So this is the group work where we share our knowledge and the resources for every one of us to test and go to. So then there is, I think, very important thing. We want to socialize, we want to feel good. So this is share your win. This is to share happy moments, share success, share with others something, maybe quote, that uplifts and inspires. And I just put my recent workshop in there. And then there is something that how we will grow. I just put in topics random, what you want to learn more about, because it is about to grow professionally and financially. So I just put in different topics that came in mind, but there is one other suggestions, and whatever is not posted here, then you will just click on it and make a comment here and write what you would like to learn, what other topic you would like to learn. So this is it, the overview, how it is now. And I'll go back. And of course, there is more, because this is for me to test if you see it as worthy, and if you want to engage with other silk painters who are serious about growing professionally and financially. And then there will be a learner's lounge where you can learn, well, you know, this will be one level. If you want to add some training, there will be marketing, there will be business development, there will be from the other members, if they want to create programs for us to learn, then they will be here featured, because the next level is Teacher's Lounge. It is about to help you to hone on your skills. If you have a skill that benefits the group and can turn it into a training, which you can learn here, how to create workshops and courses, then you become a teacher and can offer to the group and to your audience that is outside of this group as well, paid training. You will basically give of your talents and skills and knowledge and monetize your expertise. But this is a future music. There will be some links. I right now I have here the link to the Kindle book that I have on Amazon. And of course, if you want to, learn how to create your own circles, it is possible. There are endless possibilities. But first comes first. This is the welcome to the Silk Pro. If you are interested to learn and grow, then in a private space, in paid community, then I invite you to be the founding member. It will be on deeply discounted rate, and get on this project. Let us figure out if we are so committed community that we can sustain it with activity, with generosity, with sharing, with asking questions, and with adding to our professional and financial growth. So this is it. For now, the project is called Silk Pro. And like I said, testing time, 3 months. You will certainly in these 3 months already receive a valuable training, information, and support. This is not just a trial, just a lukewarm from, at least from me, no lukewarm, participation. I am going full in. And if you are also going full in, then this will be a wonderful community of growth and prosperity in all aspects of life, because we want to do what we love and earn the reward in mental, emotional, spiritual, and financial reward. So this is it for today. This is Mila, and I will put the link under the video, and I invite you to check it out, submit the application, and when we have people together, there will be opening and onboarding first Zoom that I will invite you to. So submit your application, then you will hear from me with offers of the membership, and there will be free trial as well. And then let's do it. As always, create, serve, prosper. All the best.